Welcome back to another video. Fifth video for today. We're gonna try to upload 15 videos today because I'm a crazy person. Not really. But in today's video, we will do a series of this. Welcome to the series of Fireworks. We're gonna have also the Paul's Games series. The Paul's Live series has been good. I hope I don't get copyright strike and sued by YouTube. Season 1, episode 3. I'm just gonna upload like 3 episodes per season because I don't really want to, get sued by YouTube because this, YouTube originals stealing their looks. But it's now time to use every single one of these thingies on Fireworks Simulator. Fireworks Studios. Alright, we got Sea Breeze, Sparkle Flash, Purple Rain, Volcano Blast, Power. Alright, here we go. And remember, it's gonna be very loud for you guys, so I'm gonna. That's it. Very cool.